Here we go. You ready for bananas? Open your mouth. Say, I like bananas. Mmm. Does you like bananas? Mmm. You like bananas? Yeah. Say, open up for mommy. Ooh. Oop. Ah. You like bananas? Does you like bananas, baby? Ooh. Eat your bit. Oh, there we go. You opened your mouth. That's good, huh, baby? You like bananas? You like bananas? Yeah. You like bananas? Yeah. Say, I like my bananas, Mama. Say, I only got, this is my last day eating bananas and we're going to start some carrots tomorrow. Say, hello, everyone. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Say, I love bananas. Say, I love bananas. I love bananas. Yes, I do. I love bananas. And Fago wants some bananas too.